Hello! It's great to see you all again here on Great Garden. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share a simple method so you can propagate orchids from any orchid stem. You just need to use ingredients you already have in your own kitchen. Let's get started. I forgot this potato in the kitchen and it is sprouted and is no longer edible, so I'm going to use it to take care of my orchids. When you peel potatoes, don't throw the skins away. When peeling a potato, don't throw away the skins. Potatoes contain many vitamins and minerals, such as calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. In particular, potatoes contain salicylic acid, which helps stimulate growth and supports the recovery of new roots in orchids. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Use one potato. Add 500 milliliters of boiling water. Cover it and let it cool. Soak the potato in water for 1 day to allow the vitamins and nutrients to dissolve into the water. This orchid has almost finished blooming. We'll cut off the faded flowers and keep the dormant nodes for propagation. Strain the water from the potato peels after soaking for 1 full day. Soak the orchid stem in the potato water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, carefully take the orchid stem out of the potato water. Gently pat it dry using a soft cotton cloth or cotton balls to remove any excess moisture, making sure the stem is clean and ready for the next step in caring or propagation. Apply tree wound dressing to both ends of the orchid stem to protect the cuts, prevent infection, and speed up healing. Dilute the solution with clean water and use it to care for the remaining orchids in the garden using 2 methods. You can also gently wipe the leaves with diluted potato water. This helps clean the leaves, provides extra nutrients, and boosts the plant's overall health. Regular care will help them establish well and thrive. Water directly at the base of the orchid. This method provides essential micronutrients straight to the roots, helping them grow faster, plumper, and healthier. Moreover, for orchids recovering after repotting, weakened or losing leaves, the potato water acts like a revival tonic, stimulating new root growth and encouraging stronger new shoots. Watering once a week is enough to keep the orchids healthy without causing nutrient overload. Misting spray. Nutrients absorb through the leaves, keeping fungi and diseases away. With the filtered potato water, you can put it into a spray bottle and lightly mist both the top and underside of the orchid leaves. This is a great way to help the leaves absorb nutrients directly, keeping them lush green, shiny, and improving their ability to photosynthesize. Not only that, thanks to the natural antibacterial properties of salicylic acid in potatoes, regular spraying helps prevent mold, mealybugs, and bacteria that cause leaf rot, making it especially effective during humid rainy seasons or when the plant is weak. After misting, you should use a cotton pad to gently absorb any excess fertilizer on the leaves to prevent the risk of leaf rot. For the growing medium, we use moss, charcoal, and leca. Soak the growing medium in boiling water to sterilize it, killing harmful pathogens and pests. This helps create a clean environment for the orchid roots to grow healthy and strong. Next, I use a recycled plastic bottle to create a mini greenhouse, which helps orchids propagate faster. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and guides on caring for your orchids and other beautiful plants. Start by covering the bottom of the plastic bottle with a layer of charcoal and leca. These materials help improve drainage and aeration inside the mini greenhouse, keeping the orchid roots healthy and preventing waterlogging or root rot. Next, add a layer of moss on top. This helps retain moisture and provides a soft, natural environment for the orchid roots to grow comfortably inside the mini greenhouse. Place the orchid stem inside and seal the mini greenhouse. This enclosed environment maintains high humidity and warmth, which encourages root development and faster growth. Add a small amount of water to keep the growing medium slightly moist. This ensures the humidity stays at an ideal level, supporting root growth without causing excess water buildup. Place the plant in a bright spot, but avoid direct sunlight. After 3 weeks, the plant has begun to sprout its first new shoots. This is a positive sign that the orchid is adapting well and entering a strong growth phase. After 2 months, all the dormant nodes have sprouted, and the new shoots have started to develop roots. Continue to keep the plant in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. Continue to keep the plant in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. After 3 months, the plant and its roots have grown very well. With consistent moisture levels, the orchid becomes strong and robust. At this stage, you can separate the plant and transfer it into its own pot. This helps the orchid adapt better and continue growing healthily in a natural environment. Apply tree wound dressing to the cut on the orchid stem to help the wound dry quickly and prevent rot. To prepare the orchid growing medium, start by spreading a layer of leca, lightweight expanded clay aggregate, and charcoal at the bottom of the pot. This layer improves drainage and provides good airflow for the orchid roots. Next, cover the charcoal layer with moist moss. The moss helps retain moisture and creates a soft, natural surface for the orchid roots to cling to and grow. Proceed to plant the orchid in a container filled with the prepared growing medium. Gently position the roots so they spread out naturally and make sure the base of the plant is stable. This setup provides good support, moisture retention, and airflow, essential for healthy orchid growth. After planting all the young orchids into their pots with the prepared growing medium, make sure to place them in a suitable location with good light and airflow. Regular care will help them establish well and thrive. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and gave you some inspiration for caring for your orchids. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with fellow plant lovers. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you next time on Great Garden. Happy growing, flower.